we write a Python program to convert decimal values to its equivalent binary numbers using precision for stopping iteration. Let's check for a value. So we are converting 13 and precision 1. So this is the result. We can check that value by the built-in function in Python. Type bin and 13. So the value of 13 in binary equivalent is 1101, and the program that we write shows the correct result. Let's check for a decimal fractional value 13.012. So let's see. Oh, the precision was 1. Let's give precision 6 or 7. Now let's see. So it is value 1101.000001. So which is the correct result.